The Starbot Trade Terminal is where we get all of the trade-in information for a specific token after we press trade in the portfolio or paste a contract address in the Starbot prompt. To start trading, simply paste a token address in your chat with Starbot. You can find addresses for your favorite ERC20 Ethereum tokens from various sources such as CoinGecko, DEX tools, Telegram groups, Twitter tweets, etc. Once you've pasted a token address in your chat with Starbot, you should see a message that looks like this. You can now select the amount of the token you want to buy with the choices that are available. Soon, custom choices will be available for token amounts and ETH amounts. If you would like to sell a token that's already in your portfolio, first you need to press the Approve button and press Confirm. If successful, you will get the pending screen. When you get the transaction success message, that means you have successfully bought or sold this token. Make sure to use Starbot's chart feature to check out the latest chart for any token after opening the trade terminal. This can be done right from within your Telegram app. Notice the links for additional due diligence, including our partner TTF, which is the most useful tool for all traders besides Starbot. Well, there you have it. Don't forget to check out the 75% community revenue share for holding the STAR token and the even better referral commissions of up to 50% of trading fees, which is totally mind-blowing. Not gonna lie, it gets me excited. Now go out there and become an all-star trader with Starbot.